For print awareness skill number 9, it is pointing to individual words while reading. Now, by this point, if you've been learning and teaching all the other skills, the children are going to understand what it means to point to the words because you've been modeling that all along. But for this particular one, what we want to have is for the children to point to the words and the adult reads. So if you remember way back, we had learned that this is called joint attention. So I'm only one person here, so it's going to be kind of hard for me to show you the example, so I'm going to try to explain it to you. But basically why this skill is important is because this is getting them ready for reading and tracking and following and moving their fingers now. Because all along, you've been using your finger and you've been doing the tracking and pointing to the words. Now it's giving the children a chance in the first step of really reading, as they're going to be pointing to the words. And you're going to be reading it for them. So what I would do is the child's going to point to the words, and you as the adult would read. So I'm pretending my finger is the child's. This is what's weird, is it's hard because I'm by myself, and this is a joint attention activity. But so the child would point, and it's going to be slower because they're just learning the idea of pointing and tracking. And you can guide them. So if they're starting over here, then you just remind them. If they're starting over here, you're going to remind them, all right, we're going to start left to right. And they're going to point, and you're going to be, all right, ready? Okay, go. As soon as the hedgehog disappeared into the mitten, a big owl, attracted by the commotion, swooped down. Now, I read it slower because you're going to find the child is going to point slowly. If you're noticing that they're way over here and you've only read 2 words, then you know they're not ready for this skill. So as you're introducing this and teaching it, you're assessing to see which particular skill they're on. But at this level for number 9, for skill number 9, it's them pointing, you reading. So again, you had to pretend that it was me reading but a child pointing. So that's skill set number 9.